Hello, welcome to another episode of the Krahenbuhl's Try Snack Crate. And this snack crate's from
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag, Germany. Yeah, Guten Tag. So this is from Germany. We're not only going to do snack crate on this episode, but we also are going to do the lemonade challenge, aren't we? With the Kool-aid. We got two different Kool-aids. We've got the strawberry kiwi and
Grape.
strawberry kiwi and grape with our lemonades. We got two different brands of lemonades. Our zero sugar is Florida's natural, and
Simply lemonade.
Yeah, give us a couple cups. We'll pour a little bit of this lemonade. We've never tried this flavor before.
We've tried this one, but not that one. That was a weird way I held it. Oh. Thank you. It smells lemony.
All right.
That doesn't taste like lemon.
It's not a really good lemonade, is it?
No.
All right, you ready to make?
Yep.
Strawberry kiwi is going into this one. You go ahead and put your grape in that one. We'll get it there for it. I won't do my packet like that. See?
Oh, okay. Ooh, this is hard.
Ooh, it's pretty pink.
Oh yeah. Hopefully mine's that pretty.
Just remember to
Cup
fold it. Yeah, that way you can make kind of a funnel like out of it. And let it go down the bottom side. No.
Oh, I'm
Good.
sorry.
I just want to make sure you like that. Here, put it in.
Mine?
Yours is going to be black, I bet.
We got any more?
I was turning into a pretty pink.
Mine's turning into a black gold.
That might be a good one for Halloween, wouldn't it?
Yeah, be like I made some stuff. Mine all the way out there.
Let me shake it. You got it.
I got it.
Make it crazy now. We'll make sure we don't get no Kool-Aid dust. We want this blended well.
It looks pretty. Yours is more prettier than mine. Oh, it matches your shirt.
It does, don't it? You won't. Hey, I can camouflage it.
Mine not really. If it was a little black, mine would.
All right. Mine's pretty well blended. You ready?
Yep, for yours. Mine needs a little bit of chicken. Okay. I'll let them look at that one. It looks
This
so
is
cool.
strawberry kiwi lemonade. You just tried the lemonade for the first time.
It smells funky, but it actually smells good. This looks so pretty. I'm gonna drink it. Go.
Ready?
It's good.
That is good. All right. That was the strawberry kiwi made into lemonade. Highly recommend doing that.
This one is
Something for you this summer.
grape,
Grape lemonade. I'm going to shake you a little bit more.
and yeah, there's that. Mine just shakes it more because I am a good shaker.
Well, fresh cut.
Yeah. To not mix the flavors. Oh, that would be good, maybe. I don't know.
Grape lemonade. Does that look good?
It smells really good.
Grape lemonade made out of grape Kool-Aid. Ready to go.
That's good. That's really good.
Actually, it is good.
Yeah.
I do like the strawberry kiwi the best.
Mhm.
And it ain't the lemonade. I know it's not, 'cause we like this lemonade better than this one. So our pick out of the lemonades that we were able to get a hold of was the Simply Lemonade, but the strawberry kiwi Kool-aid.
Minute Maid was out. No Minute Maid.
We wanted a Minute Maid, but they were out of stock. Let me smoke this in here too. So we're gonna have to have something while we do our snack crate. From where?
Germany.
From Germany. You about forgot, didn't you,
Yeah.
already?
Mhm.
From Germany. Again, we get the card. Where's our snack crate
No,
at?
I made
You
it.
hid it on me.
Yeah. It's gonna make you find it. But yeah,
Let's
this one's
roll.
better. Oh, we're trying to
So what do we
clean up
got?
a little bit.
Ooh, we got some goodies in this one. You know, we got some German in our blood. Did you know that? A little bit. But our last name's Swiss German. Oh, you're just gonna hand me this? I don't know. It's Frigio, French Tiger, Munster, Pufferys, Mit. I don't know. You tell me what it says.
Okay, you know how there's always a lead food. It's either ketchup or something weird. We have Papa Walk, I can't say German.
That's paprika. That's
Paprika.
German. That's English.
It's English.
Oh, Lord
I
have
can't
mercy.
read English.
You can't read your own language.
No.
Lay's paprika. Chips.
This looks so not appetizing. Woo! We got some.
Biffy the original. Terrazza. It does not look appetizing.
We have some.
Soft.
We have yellow and
We got some-
orange. Here's
The
the
hard
three
candy or
different colors.
soft?
The other
We got some hard candy here. It's Oye Bruce. A little sailor dude looking like on
Oh, it's like that popcorn.
it. Little bitty candies.
Mhm.
I don't know if you can read that or not.
But there it is. Here's the back. Oh, you scared me.
Scary.
Even though
Let's
I
get her
saw
out
it.
of here. What do you got?
Okay, so we have this that looks good.
Knoppers. I've had this. I've actually had this. You might can buy this at Walmart now.
Okay.
I don't know. I know you can get it at Jungle Gyms in Fairfield, Ohio. I think they've got one another location around Cincinnati,
We got
which is the International Food Store.
Coney Big. That didn't line at all.
Corny Big. Looks like a granola bar.
Yeah, that's what I think.
What else we have from Germany? That's our last Marmuk Kutcher or something like that. I don't know. Well, what we trying first? Pick it out, pick it out.
You gotta do the chips first.
Chips first, is that what we always do first?
Yeah. Oh, they smell good. Smell like barbecue.
Well, it is Lay's. That is like our favorite brand of chip. Tastes kind of like barbecue, don't it? It's a win.
That's good.
Paprika, Lay's paprika. That's a win.
Okay, you're done.
My turn. I say we get this thing out of the way.
Yeah, I already have a spit cup.
Beefy, Bi-Fi, the original. Raza or whatever. I don't. It don't matter. I can't pronounce a lot of stuff. Apparently we can pronounce English sometimes. So it looks like kind of like a cake.
Yeah,
Spongy.
pie.
Split it, see what's in here.
It
Ooh, it's got something.
looks like spongy. Oh, it's like a bogle.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, gross. Oh, man. I'm being tortured.
It's got a pepperoni in it.
Pepperoni.
It's pepperoni sauce. Thing.
It's pizza.
It's like a pizza. You want the pepperoni?
I want the pepperoni.
I'm gonna try it without the pepperoni. I was like, why can I not split that? It's not meant to
Oh,
be
okay.
shared without a knife.
It's a hard pepperoni.
Pepperoni or salami one.
Looks like pepperoni. It's hard though.
Yeah, let's try it.
Take.
It's a pizza to go.
Yeah, it's good. I was scared to death. On the packaging, it looks way different.
Uh-huh. So it's basically a little pizza to go. Who would have thought?
I need to make these in a milk. That's good.
That'd be a good road trip snack, wouldn't it? Or a hiking snack. You gonna pick the next one? I open it up while you're eating that.
Oh yeah.
Or you gonna leave your mother a bite of that? Sorry, Bob. Give me a cup, and I'm just gonna pour these in a cup because I foresee us having these everywhere. You already spit in that? Okay.
Okay, I said for one bite, but.
So in that little bag it's filled up to there. That's quite a bit. Different colors, pink, green, yellow, a little bit of orange. I just dropped a green one. See what it tastes like. It's like a fruity cereal. Surely to goodness you like that.
It's okay. I mean, I wasn't expecting it, but it's okay.
Kind of like a fruity cereal, isn't it?
Yeah.
I guess I go next time. Let's get this Marmor Bouchon out of the way. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's basically a cake. It's like a white chocolate cake mix with chocolate icing. Oh, dropped these.
That's good.
Let's try it.
Brownie. It's like a Debbie cake.
That's good. You know we eat a lot of German foods around here. Like sauerkraut. Next up, your choices. You can try the corny big. 50 grams. And looks like cool and yeah. That's the last name from around here too. Alrighty, this looks just like a granola bar. The thick chocolate bottom.
Smells like tea. It's hard. I thought it would be soft.
It's good though. It's got peanuts and stuff in it, so if you got a food allergy, you might want to beware, but other than that, it's good taste. You know where we might also find something like this at? I mean, I mentioned Jungle Jim's in Fairfield, Ohio, or around the Cincinnati area. There's another one. But Aldi,
Oh yeah.
or
that's
Trader
good.
Joe's, which you know's both German companies. Of course, you got Aldi North and Aldi South in Germany. It's two brothers who used to have one together, I believe, is what I understand. Let's go with the Knoppers. Said I believe I've had this one before.
I'm still chewing.
Well, I'll take me that one along. So you got a wafer on the top, the chocolate nutty area, another wafer, a little white something, nougat or something, and some chocolate on the bottom. Let's break this into 5 million pieces and have all kinds of stuff to clean up later.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Yeah.
We got 2 great ones. We got to be a great one. Whoops. That's all we got left. Oi, bro. I don't know how you say it. Oi, bras or something like that. Hard candy.
Yeah, I got it.
You ready? What do you think? Just a hard candy. It ain't got
Not that much flavor, but.
not a lot of flavor. Not a real pleasant flavor, but not a bad one either. Like it's not like it make you sick feeling. So anyway, thank you for watching another episode
Why
of
we have to
Krahenbuhl.
put it in order?
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, but my order, come on, this is my last thing.
Yeah, that's my last.
But I kind of like all of it.
Okay, I'm putting mine in
It's
order.
gonna be
then.
hard.
Okay. It is. Now you don't know what to do. This probably first. The corny. This. 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 This.
That's your order.
Mm-hmm.
I'd go with chips. Probably this.
Have you already
This
ate
is
this?
corny.
It's fizzing in my mouth.
Is it? Has it got something in the center?
My bad.
I don't know. I really like it all about the same. Besides these, I'd rank the candies lowest.
Yeah.
Hard candies. Well, again, this time, thank you for watching another episode of Snack Crate. Where we got our snack crate from?
Germany!
Well, we're out from Germany. We made lemonade with what?
Kool-aid.
And
Packet.
so we had packets of Kool-Aid, just straight to the lemonade you buy out of the store. Easy fix, tastes great. We do it again.
It's fizzing in my cup.
Really? It is fizzy. We might explode. Be like on Willy Wonka.
Boom!
Violet, you're turning violet. All right, well, thank you again for watching another episode of Snack Crate.